Grandma and Grandpa. This is a special night.
What are you guys having for dinner?
Chicken!
Who made it?
Me and Diana. And Dad. There's all paid.
How do you make it?
Put it in a grill. One of these. And you have some barbecue sauce. Then you paint the chicken with a brush. Like this. And we like to paint the bone most of all. And you cook it.
Diana, remember I talked to you about licking that stuff?
Yeah.
What'd I say? I said, don't lick that stuff because it's got chicken on it. It's raw.
Daddy?
Yeah?
When can we watch our new movies? We got new movies, Grandma and Grandpa.
Oh, aren't you making chicken?
Yeah.
Well, let's look see how the chicken's cooking.
Okay. Okay, Grandma and Grandpa.
Go take a look at it.
It's doing fine.
How's it smell?
Pretty good.
Okay.
Grandpa, we're mixing it up with honey and barbecue sauce. Now, we're going to mix it up. First, put a little on that side, and a little of the honey on that side. Mix it all up. Like it was just a plain old barbecue. So I can get this all together, it'll be great. This is just the dipping stuff. But I'll do great at once. Chicken. And it'll do perfect. Wanna turn, sister? Turn up that stuff. Right over here. It'll be great to dip it. Hey, Anna! Whoa. I got the thing. This thing will get the brush and put in some, right? Right, Dad?
Right.
Going to turn them over. And this is how you do it. Let me do it. No, let me do it. This is how you do it. Then you turn it over like that. Now I'm going to let my sister have a turn. Flipping that over. Now I'm going to have a turn. I'm going to do the next one. Pretty hot. Now my sister's going to have a turn. We're sharing. Then get a little more on that. Then that's enough. That's enough. Here. Now I'm going to turn this one over. Now my sister's going to turn that one over. This one. See, Grandma and Grandpa? We all did one. See? We all did three. 1, 2, 3. That's my side. got two sides, then it still in a row. I want to put it. I have to put the back over. Grandma and Grandpa, Diana's having a little trouble getting it over there. Diana, do you want me to do it? No, shushi. Good, Diana made it. It's time to check on a special dinner tonight. Oh. And Daddy made us a special little piece. Can we have it yet, Daddy?
Does it look done?
It looks done.
Well, take a bite and try it.
It's hot.
How does it taste?
Good. It's great.
Uh-oh. Not out of there. Too late now, huh? Did you show Grandma and Grandpa your caterpillar?
No. Here is.
Can't see it.
Here is.
That doesn't help.
Right there.
Hold it up in the light.
Okay.
Over here. Over here.
Here he is.
Oh, there he is.
I took him out of his cage.
Oh. Do you want to put him on the grill?
No.
Uh-oh. How's dinner?
Here's my
Little
caterpillar.
stringy?
Like my caterpillar?
Beautiful.
Oh. And it's ready to turn. I want to turn this one first. You just clean the top off, the countertop off. Uh-oh. Isn't my favorite jewelry? It's all mine. Big Bella. I'm scared, Big Bella. Oh. Okay, Dad, I'm finished.
Well, what do you have to say now?
Oh, can't Diana or you say it? It's hard to remember. I can't even remember it. Dad, you tell him. Dad, please.
How does it go?
I don't remember.
What was the topic?
I don't know. I don't even remember a single bit of it.
Well, what's for dinner?
Chicken.
That's all?
Yeah.
Anything on the stove?
Look at me.
What's it look like?
I don't know what it is. Crackle. Diana's being silly, but I am getting so hungry that I can't even say anything.
Well, what else do you have for dinner?
I don't know.
What did we put in the boiling thing?
I don't know.
else is there to have?
Nothing left.
What's on the stove?
I don't know what it's called.
Well, what does it look
I
like?
don't know what it's called. I don't know what it's called.
Well, don't worry about it.
I don't know what it's called.
That's okay.
Daddy.
It's called asparagus.
Daddy.
What?
Did the chicken go? Can we eat the chicken?
Yeah, go ahead.
Can we? It'll be dirty. It'll be dirty.
Well, what should we have instead?
I don't like asparagus.
Well, how about we just rinse the chicken off and we eat that?
Okay.
Does that sound like a good idea?
Yeah.
Well, why don't you pick it up and put it in the Tupperware?
This is going to be... Ow. I'm going to pick it
Why
up.
don't you use the tongs?
Oh, good. I get them. I get
You like using those tongs, don't you? No, put it back on the floor and let her get it.
This piece. I can do it myself, Diana.
There.
I wanted this piece up here. This piece over here. That piece is taking its place. That piece.
How does it taste?
This piece. And that piece. Clear? Oh, better. All done. Ow.
What happened?
Daddy,
Let me see.
Do you want to walk just behind the door?
What happened, Shan?
Do you want to hurt my back on this corner?
Oh. Do you want to show Grandma and Grandpa your caterpillar?
I did.
Oh. Do you want to do it again?
No. Daddy, do you want to see me hop all the way to you?
Yeah, hop all the way to me. That's great. Well, what should we do now?
Eat.
You hungry?
Yeah, I'm starved.
What else do you want to have besides chicken?